20 Minutes Setswana presents. Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about colors. Are you ready, kids? What is the word for blue in Sesotho?
Putswa.
Very good. Putswa. And what is the word for red in Sesotho?
Khubedu.
That's right. Khubedu. And what is the word for yellow in Sesotho?
Chehla.
That's right. Chehla. Now what is the word for green in Sesotho?
Etala.
Very good. Tala. And pink in Sesotho?
Pinky.
That's the easy one. Pinky. And what is orange in Sesotho?
Motwebe.
Very good. Motwebe. And now you know the colors in Sesotho. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Bye.